everybody, today I'm going to be sharing with you guys on my favorite YouTubers, those whom I have loved watching and I've learned so much from. So let me take you right in. The first YouTuber that I stumbled upon, Kathleen Lights. I love the fact that she keeps it real. There is no faff. There is no hard sell. She's not pushing coupon code after coupon code down your throats. And I personally got to know about this brand called Colourpop because of her and have loved using this brand. It's affordable, and whatever she has claimed, at least on the products that she has used so far, they have all rung true, and I have loved watching a lot of her videos simply because it's very real. She's funny, and each time that she says that's expensive, that's really sweet. I find her very endearing, and she's one of the first YouTubers that I started watching. I literally binge watched a lot of her videos on makeup when I was when I told you that I eventually initially stumbled upon these YouTube videos when I was having a fracture. So that blabbering aside, the second YouTuber that I really love is Stephanie Nicole. I'm going to be linking all these down below. I find Stephanie to be extremely well researched. She gives you a breakdown on cost per gram, and it's from her, watching her videos that I realized that when you actually pick up a palette, an eyeshadow palette or a blush palette or any other product, you think it is inexpensive. It may not be, especially sometimes the pan sizes might be smaller and you're actually perhaps paying a lot more per gram vis-a-vis perhaps really expensive, you think are expensive brands out there in the market. So she actually has been in the manufacturing side of makeup, and she knows a lot more. Her reviews and her explanations of a lot of things are very in-depth. Again, no nonsense, no bullshit, and she's very honest in how she comes across with her opinion on a lot of things. I have learned so much from her. One of the things that I learned, the most important thing I believe that I learned from her is about the economics, the politics in the makeup industry as a whole. She has this fantastic video that also I'm going to be linking down below called BOMB, using all black owned makeup brand products. And in the first 10 minutes of the video, she breaks it down on how it all works, especially with black owned makeup brands. And after that, I started actively buying and supporting a lot of makeup and eyeshadow palettes from black owned makeup brands, and I found how brilliant they are, superior in quality. And this was me, I guess, giving back to generally to the brands that I really love using and stuff like that. The next one that I really like is Gothamista. Her name is Renee, and she speaks a lot on Asian skincare. She has a very nice, soothing, calming voice, and she's lovely YouTuber. And I have actually, she's actually a more recent find. She was referred by somebody that who watches a lot of Korean skincare videos on YouTube. So somebody told me, have you checked out Gothamista yet? And I stumbled upon Gothamista probably a few months ago, and I have loved watching her videos. I have learned so much from it. And that's that. Deepika Mutyala, an Indian origin YouTuber that's settled in the US, and she speaks a lot about makeup and skincare, more makeup, less skincare, makeup for all us brown girls. And I find that she's now started something called Tinted, which and she's very evocative, and she's looking at representation for various types of people in beauty in this industry, so that more girls can see that if there are more people who are successful who look like them, then they also perhaps can aspire for success. I find her journey and her growth really lovely. This is also another YouTuber that I recently got to know. And the other YouTubers that I really like is Raw Beauty Christy. Her makeup tutorials are brilliant. I have loved her reviews. I like how honest she is again. And I've tried to incorporate some of her makeup tutorials, and perhaps I'm thinking of doing one of these. I tried to follow the makeup tutorial off sort of a video one of these days. I'm trying to see if I can either follow Kathleen Lights or a Raw Beauty Christie makeup video. The other YouTubers that I completely love watching are definitely Jackie Aina, Alatori, Desi Perkins. Oh, I love Desi's videos. She's so beautiful. Her skin is, oh my god, awesome skin. And of course her friend Katie. I have learned so much from Desi's videos, because I think she is closest to my skin tone. I see that a lot of her foundation shades really match. And then of course Jeffree Star, Patrick Star, these are definitely the superstars of the YouTuber world. Manny MUA, Nikki Tutorials of course, and Tati. And I see that Tati has also launched her makeup brand, Laura Lee, Kristen Dominique. So from I think all these YouTubers, I think Kristen Dominique, and there are a couple others on Instagram as well that I really love following. Another lovely YouTuber that I've been checking out recently for eyeshadow tutorials is this artist called Ant Nook. I'm going to be linking that as well down below. She has some fantastic tutorials. I found a screen grab of her YouTube tutorial on Natasha Denona's Instagram page, and that's how I came to know about it. So considering Instagram now has really messed up its algorithm, and we don't see all the posts of all the people that we follow in whenever they post it, I sometimes have to make an effort or take an effort to when I have a couple of hours, if I'm waiting at an airport or something, I make it a point to check out if I've seen all these people's posts. And I have learned so much from all these YouTubers, especially when I'm looking at wearing makeup for stage and for camera and stuff like that. A superstar makeup artist that I follow is Lisa Eldridge. She has fantastic makeup tutorials. Of course, she's a really famous makeup artist. She's worked on so many people, so many superstars in the entertainment world, and I've learned so much watching her videos. She also has this really nice, calm, lovely voice. She explains things really well, and I hope I can actually get a YouTube video up where I'm trying to follow a Lisa Eldridge YouTube tutorial. Anyway, that's that. I hope I haven't missed anybody. If I have, I'm going to be linking them in the description box down below, and this is just in the order of people that came to my mind. So until I see you in my next video, this is Chinmay saying bye-bye.